Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel, and in today's video, I will show you how you can install fitness app on iPhone. Friends, please subscribe to the channel. Also, do not forget to write comments and put likes under this video. And let's get started. Please open the App Store or App Store on your iPhone to start with. You will be able to easily find the App Store because it is factory default on any iPhone. Once you open the App Store, you'll need to go from the main page down to the search section at the bottom and type in the word fitness at the top. When you find that app, click on it, and where I have the word open, you'll have the word install here. You'll need to click on it. That's how you'll install the app. You'll be able to see right away how the installation process starts, and it should take you no more than 1-2 minutes. Once the app is installed on your phone, you can easily either open it from the App Store or you can find it on your home screen. And if you can't find it on your iPhone home screen, then you'll need to swipe from the top to the bottom of the screen. And here in the search, also type in the word fitness. You can find it here. You'll need to tap and hold. And here you'll have a menu where you can select Add to Home Screen. So in the fitness app, it will immediately add you to your home screen, and you'll have it looking the same way I do. This is the quick way, you will be able to install the fitness app on your iPhone. Friends, I really hope you found this video useful and helpful. Please put your likes, write your comments, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you soon.